Hey everyone, I hope everyone is good. In this video, I'll show you how to install carpet professionally, and these are the tools that you'll need. You will need stapler, um, staples, roller, uh, the carpet tape. You're gonna need a knife. This is the iron for the carpet tape, and this finally you're gonna need this knee kicker, a hammer, and a pair of snips just so you can cut these carpet strips. So you're gonna start by placing the carpet strip about an inch and a half from each wall and go all the way around. You're gonna need the carpet pad, and I highly or strongly recommend using the pad because it makes a whole lot of difference. As you can see, these strips, they have nails and then they have nails sticking out. They help hold in the carpet, so make sure you leave about an inch and a half from the wall so that way you can tuck it in. So go ahead and place all your strips around the whole area. And next, you're gonna take the pad. This pad, any pad, it makes a whole lot of difference. It makes the area comfortable when you walk on it. If you have kids and fall off to be protected, just make sure that the squares are um, the squares are facing down. That's where you cut it. They're kind of connected from the back. So just take your time with it, and if you have help, that'll be great. Make sure you line it up nice so you're not leaving any gaps, and then just take your stapler and go ahead and staple it really good. I would say going kind of like in rows, space them out like every 1 foot, and then just go every 1 foot in rows. So next you're gonna get the carpet. So if you don't know how to measure carpet, leave me a comment on this video, and then I'll create a video on how to measure out carpet, because carpet comes in two standard sizes, either 12 foot or 15 foot. So as you can see, we got one carpet that we didn't want to do a seam in the closet, so we got the full length of the room. Start by with one corner. Make sure you tuck it in nice. You can use this hand tool here, the carpet tool, so you can push the carpet right into the seam or the corner of the room, and then just keep following up. Use your knee kicker to stretch the carpet so you're not really leaving any rolls in the carpet, and then just keep cutting it with your knife, just a little bit at a time. Just make sure you leave some room at first if this is the first time you're doing it. Just take your time with it. Leave about 2 inches or 3 inches extra, and then you can keep trimming it. So for the seams, we use that tape, so we just staple it in the seam. We take like our straight edge, make sure that the carpets line up with the hallway, um, and then what we'll do is we'll heat up the seam with this